How to remove specific element from an array using Python. I want to write something that removes a specific element from an array. I know that I have to for loop through the array to find the element that matches the content. Let's say that I have an array of emails and I want to get rid of the element that matches some email string. I'd actually like to use the for loop structure because I need to use the same index for other arrays as well. Here is the code that I have.
You don't need to iterate the array. Just this will remove the first occurrence that matches the string. Edit. After your edit, you still don't need to iterate over. Just do.
The same way to do this is to use zip and a list comprehension or generator expression. Also, if you're not using array.array or numpy.array, then most likely you are using or list, which give you lists, not arrays. Not the same thing.
Your for loop is not right if you need the index in the for loop use. In your case, Bogdan's solution is okay, but your data structure choice is not so good. Having to maintain these two lists with data from one related to data from the other at same index is clumsy. A list of tuple, email, other data may be better, or a dict with email as key.
Using filter and lambda would provide a neat and terse method of removing unwanted values. This does not modify emails. It creates the new list newmails containing only elements for which the anonymous function returned true.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.